Hi, we're at the SemiCon 2024 show today. My name is Christopher, I'm from Intel. And today at the booth, we're showcasing some technologies from Intel that are necessary for the software-defined factory. With me here is my colleague, Sue Lynn, who will share more about our demo.
This is XY table demo. It features Intel Sensitive Network TSN technology critical in meeting the most stringent real-time requirements in factory automation. In this demo, we have partnered with Port.de from Germany that offers industrial communication protocol solutions such as PROFINET, EtherCAT, and CC-Link IE TSN to build a real-time system. Before we run the demo, let's get an overview of what this demo is about. As the ball is dropping through the randomly X-Y position from the top, the X and Y are calculated by using Intel RealSense technology that comes with both vision and depth sensing capabilities. The X-axis located the object position, left, center, and right via the pixel ratio mapped to the motor X. The Y position is aligned to the camera height and to detect the ball at a specific level. The X-axis is located the object position from the camera via the distance value and mapped to the Y motor. The sensors providing input to the robotic arm controller that requires to provide a new command with bounded latency requirements, as shown here with the catching the ball example. At the bottom, we have a basket that is meant to catch a falling ball. The X and Y position in the basket are controlled by two independent servo motors. To meet this time-critical objective of catching the ball, the computation of X and Y position of the transmission of the X and Y positions of the two servo motors have to complete in the time-deterministic fashion. To ensure this time-deterministic transfer of the X and Y position to the servo motors, we use a port CC-Link IE TSN protocol that has been fine-tuned and system integrated with the Intel TSN driver in Linux. The CC-Link IE TSN is configured to the 1 millisecond cycle time and depends on the Intel TSN capabilities such as IEEE 802.1 AS, GPTP for network time synchronization, and the IEEE 802.1 QBV time-aware traffic shaper to achieve this low and bounded packet delivery latency. Let's take at the demo now.